Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. If you're a Google Drive paid subscriber, maybe you want to take a look at the different data that has been synchronized with the cloud storage service. It seems that more and more users are saying that some data is lost. Some saying that even their drive image, basically, where you have all the data, has been restored back several months. And there are quite a few people complaining that they lost data because of this. Google does say that they are investigating what's happening. They have noticed that some users effectively have had some issues with the storage data being gone. So, just a big reminder: if you are using anything to back up your files, your pictures, your documents, remember that a good backup is never just one thing. It's three different places minimum. So, for example, I have them in the PC, I have them on an external device, and I have them in the cloud. In my case, I use OneDrive. So you need to have your files and documents in different spots, not just one. Using just your computer is bad because if the hard drive fails, you lose everything. Just an external device, some people do that, is bad because if that device fails, you lose your stuff. And cloud, if you only use cloud, even though we kind of got into the fact that these services are pretty consistent and usually work well, it's still only one place. So you can't have only cloud either. Make sure that you have at least three different places. That is a good backup. Three different spots with your important files, folders, and documents. So Google is investigating. They say that they're looking into the issue, and of course, hopefully, maybe they can restore some image back, or maybe they will find what's the glitch. But just be wary that it's not because it's big companies like Google or even, you never know, OneDrive, that it has to be 100% secure and you never lose anything. So remember the rule of three different places in order to have a good backup. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.